Well, hello. So, today we're going to show you how I compose an X post. It's not Twitter anymore, trust me. I'm going to show you how I compose that and copy and paste it using Voiceover. I'm going to show you how I compose stuff. I actually use the X app usually to compose posts for it. It's actually pretty good. But Facebook, the editor just sucks. So everything on Facebook, I just copy and I compose it in notes and paste it to Facebook. So I'm gonna show you how. I realize that I have a large audience. I have many people who are in different stages of blindness, and I want to share the knowledge that I have. Let's do it. Okay, y'all should be able to see. Okay, I'm going to turn on the screen so you can see what is happening as well.
2:34 p.m.
Okay, so I click the button.
Screen curtain off.
I triple tap the phone with 3 fingers to turn the display on, because by default it goes off with the Voiceover, and my phone went back to whatever. Okay.
2:35 p.m. Phone, 27 new items.
Okay, so now I'm on the home screen. I want to open the Notes app, so we're going to go. I didn't want to do that. Ignore that.
Home, phone, 27 new item.
Okay.
Phone, 27 new items.
This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to activate Siri by pressing and holding on the side button for a second or so. And then I am going to say Notes. Notes.
Notes, all iCloud.
And it open Notes. And it's fast because it's done on device.
Toolbar, new note, button. Note, text field, is editing, insertion point at start.
I focus on New Note in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. I double tap the screen anywhere on the screen to activate the button once it's focused and it started a new note. Okay, now I have like autocorrect and all that bullshit turned off on my phone because I like to completely control my shit. So I'm gonna show you how I would compose a post for X. So I'm going to base it on one of my most recent blog entries. Okay. Now, I do have where it will capitalize the first part of each sentence. I do have that turned on. Because, I mean, I want that to always be the case. I like capitalization. Read.
Inserted read. Space, read, numbers. Letters, hyphen, symbols. Numbers, equals, plus, caret, percent, number sign.
Okay, what I'm doing, I have something called, what's it called? Touch typing enabled in Voiceover with the keyboard. So the way it works is I put my finger down on the keyboard. It doesn't accept it until I lift my finger off of it. So it allows me to type very quickly. Okay?
Percent.
Shit.
Delete. Number sign.
Oh.
Euro sign. Yen plus. Star. Percent. Number sign. Space. Numbers. Next numbers. Shift. Cap Y. Cap G. Cap F, A, B, P, L, R, E, space, fable, L, delete, space, numbers, space, comma, fable, space, shift, cap K, cap O, P, U, D, S, numbers, space, comma, opus, space, shift.
if I want to, like I just did 2 ends, I only focused it once, and then I double tapped once and double tapped again, and that inserted 2 ends without me refocusing on end. Now where was I? Shit. This is the problem of doing it when you're stoned.
O, L, delete, T, G, T, T, numbers, comma, sonnet. Quotation delete, comma, space, sonnet, W, Q, A, N, D, M, N, D, D, space, N, shift, cap, H, A, I, L, K, I, U.
Read.
Space, haiku, A, Y, T, space, at.
Okay, this is the way I stylize Diary of a Blind American. I capitalize the D.
Shift, cap S, cap D, I, A, R, Y.
Lowercase o, F, A.
I, O, F, shift, A,
Capital B.
shift, cap V, P, L, U, I, B, N, D, shift,
Capitalize A.
cap A, M, R, E, R, I, B, C, A, M, N.
Okay, now I want to put one blank line. Well, go to the next line and leave it blank and go to the next line, and that is where I'm going to put my URL. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is go to Safari. Open Safari.
Notes, Safari, visit Groover Tech, visited, links, image dreamed up by Google's June 13th, entry number 4, Fable, Opus,
Okay,
Sonnet and Haiku,
I already navigated. I already navigated to the one I wanted, so we just need to copy and paste it. So if we select the address bar and go to edit it, it will automatically select the entire URL for us. That's just the convenience of Safari.
Address, diarrheaofblandamerican.com. Address, text field, is editing, https://
Okay, so that's already selected.
Equals 49, edit. Copy.
So I used the rotor. I rotated to edit, and then I swiped up to copy, and then I double tapped twice to actually copy the text. Okay? Open notes. You can also say open notes or just notes.
Is editing, read number sign Fable, Opus, Sonnet and Haiku, and return.
Okay, I need to put I need to go down one line, leave it blank.
New line, Diarrhea of a Blind American, misspelled.
And then go down one more line.
New line.
And I'm going to paste my URL. So I'm going to put 2 fingers on the screen and rotate like a dial
Edit.
Until I hear edit. I'm going to swipe up.
Decrease indentation.
Or down. You can go up or down. You can
scan text. Select. Paste.
I want to go to paste and I double tap.
https://diarrheaofblandamerican.com.
Okay.
Done. Button.
So that would be my entire tweet. Well, my entire X post, whatever.
June 14th.
Let me let you hear it.
Is editing. Read number sign Fable. Opus. Sonnet and Haiku at Diarrhea of a Blind American. https://diarrheaofblandamerican.com/ ? Entry equals 49.0. MD. Insertion point at end.
And
Actions available.
If I was actually going to use this, I'd try to come up with something slightly more clever than that. But you can use your own imagination. And, okay, so now I want to copy and paste the whole thing into X.
Mislinks. Edit.
Go to two fingers on the screen, rotate like a dial until I get to edit.
Select. Paste. Select all.
Go up and down until you find the option you want.
Read number sign fable, opus, sonnet and haiku.
So
and
now
diorama
it's
of
all
blind American.
selected.
HTTPS:
I'm going to put
/
2 fingers
diorama
on it and go to
words,
edit,
characters, word, line, edit.
edit again. You don't have to do that, but sometimes it'll fuck up, so it's better just to do it every time.
Paste, cut, copy. Read number sign fable.
I
opus,
copied the whole
sonnet and
thing,
haiku, and
okay?
diorama of blind American.
Stop talking.
Home.
Okay, now I want to open X, and I'm going to paste that into a post. Open X.
Brian Groover. Read about account menu. Brian Groover. Turn on notifications. Heading. See what's happening. Get started. Not now. Button.
Of
Account
course,
menu.
it
Brian Groover. Button.
wants me to do shit. Ignore that. Sometimes that comes up. I just swiped until I got to the option I wanted and double tapped. That's the way Voiceover works.
Compose post. Button.
So we're going
Actions
to
available.
compose post. The icon I know is in the bottom right, so I can put my finger right on it. And then we double tap anywhere on the screen.
What's happening? Text. What's happening? Text field. Is editing. Character mode. Insertion point at start.
And it's ready for me to write my tweet. Well, I already wrote it in notes, which I would not do normally for X, but I would do for Facebook. But I'm just doing X for now. It's a simple thing to compose. And I'm going to put 2 fingers on the screen and rotate until I get to edit.
Misspelled edit.
And I'm going to paste.
Paste. Read number sign fable, opus, sonnet and haiku at diorama of blind American. HTTPS: //dioramablindamerican.com/question mark entry equals 49.0.md.
Okay, and that's it. It's cool as shit. And listen, you heard how simple that URL is. It's just passing, it's telling my blog engine which markdown file to read. All I need to do is save a markdown file to a web server, and bam, I've got a new blog entry. It's a beautiful system created by Claude. Okay.
Everyone can reply.
If I wanted to actually post this, I know the button is in the top right, so we just go
Post. Button.
and I would hit double tap to post it, but I don't like it because I already did this, so this is just for this. So thank y'all for watching. Maybe you learned something, maybe you didn't, maybe you saw how hard it is, or if you think about it, that's actually pretty easy. You know what? A nerd at Apple who did not care how much he was getting paid for it. He loves his job. A whole team under nerds at Apple love their job. And they put that much thought into this system. And it's that easy for me as a blind person. It's pretty incredible. I love the nerds at Apple. Okay, later, y'all. Shit. Okay, later.